So what are we going to do with your hair today, Lewis?
Just a bit off the sides and then top.
Off the top, we wanted to lose a fair bit of this length. We've also got quite a lot up there. We're thinking, yeah, so keep a bit, so maybe take about sort of a month's growth off, 10 mil or so. And styling wise, still like wearing it up, a bit of volume in it. And we'll knock some of this weight out of it as well, because I mean, you've just got really, really thick hair, and it'll just make it a lot easier for you to manage. How short are you going to take the sides today? Like 2, 3? The 3, yeah, and then blend that up into the top. Perfect, cool. So today we're going to use a bit of the sea salt spray from Better Chap. So the good thing about this is it's just going to add a little bit of texture, but it's not going to set your hair hard or anything like that. It's very light. Good thing is it's all natural. There's no chemicals, no preservatives, nothing bad in it for your hair. Just go crazy with it, rough it up. Start pumping some heat into it. You really want to just tease your hair up too, because obviously you like that real choppy, rough look. So it doesn't have to be all pretty, you don't have to do it, real smooth or nothing like that. Just rough it on in there.